What's up, drone pilots? Welcome back. If you're new here, this is Neil J. I came today here to practice flying my DJI Avata 2 with the HQ props. They're really amazing. I love them so far. I've been enjoying them. So I thought I could bring you on my practice day today between the trees in the park. Thanks for joining. Buckle up. Let's get up in the air. Alright, welcome aboard. I'm gonna go ahead and start recording. 30 degrees on the camera angle. Engine starts. So I came here today to refine my skills flying manual mode freestyle with those HQ props. So far I've been really loving flying them because they've been super floaty, man. It's like if the Avata floats like a 5-inch FPV, and I kind of like this feeling. I used to fly the HQ, not the HQ prop, the Master S Crew props. Let's do this gap here. Whoa. And I flew them for 6 months. They were really great, man. I don't have any complaints on them. They're really nice. But the HQ props, they're more floaty, like I said. And I like that feeling. It just feels like you fly in a real airplane. It's the same principle as flying like airplanes, where things are very floaty all the time. So I've been flying manual mode for a while now, but the thing is, with those new props, it feels like I just start flying manual, especially after I update my rates. I have to stop talking sometimes so I can hit the gap. It's kind of hard to hit a gap and at the same time fly it. So yeah, I'm still trying to get used to it. I'm refining my skills. This is literally what I'm doing right now. See if we can hit this gap here without crashing. Nice. So I really like him. I'm pretty sure I want to keep flying them because the way just they feel, man, they feel so nice when you fly them. The ground are wet over there because it's been raining hard, man. It's been raining. If you see in my last video, I flew it and it started raining. I was thundering and doing all kind of stuff, so that's why the grounds are wet right now. Trees, man. I love flying them trees. In a moment I will go do some high altitude flying. Woo! I overshot that spin over there. Barrel roll, however you want to call it. I'm trying to do them closer to the ground now. I mean, it's easier to do it when you're high, but when you're closer to the ground, you have to do it differently. Gotta be careful with that. Let me do a long dive here. Nice. So yeah, man, I'm trying here to refine my skills, and very soon, hopefully, I'll have these skills refined where I'm gonna be doing a lot of some crazy flying, licking the grass. Licking the grass. Licking the grass. A little bit down, a little bit more down. There we go. Okay, that's too close to comfort. I think it was like a 1.5 feet from the ground. Tell me, what do you think? What do you think about flying low under the trees? Do you like that? Have you tried flying between trees like this? It's a lot of fun, man. You should try it for sure. All right, switching it back. I don't know what happened there. I didn't say, oh, I pressed the button for the manual mode, and I was trying to land. I wasn't trying to do that. All right, let me go ahead and get it. I hope you enjoyed this flight. Those HQ props are really cool. You should try them. Since I bought them, I've been hooked, man. Those are really good props. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment down below with any question. I'm more than happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.